Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Lost Coins quest in Fish It Roblox. So Steve has managed to lose his coin all over the beach, especially on the Lost Isle. And in here, I'm going to show you some exact location of the coins, so you can grab those rewards and move on to your next quest. So in here I've already found 3 actually. So for the coins, you can just find it in the Lost Isle. So there are lots of hidden spot in here, which also includes at the top of the treasure room. So you need to see carefully to get those coins, like this ones right here. It's at the top of the treasure room, so you can just pick up the coin. And let's find another one. So for the first spot where I found the coin, it's actually inside the entrance of the Sisyphus statue. So the next location, you can just go inside here right behind Steve. So let me show you the first location where I found the coins. You can find it right behind this one. You can pick it up. And let's find another one. So it's hidden all over the Lost Isle. I think I see the previous the other one at the tops right here, so let's go there. And let's see if we can find it. Okay, this one's right here. So I've already found 6. When you already have 10, you can just go back to Steve and return the coins. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. And I'll see you in the next one.